Today we will show you the tips to make warm tea and enjoy with Roma biscuit.
Friends, I think I feel hungry.
Hi, I have an idea. How about having some warm tea with Roma biscuit? Wow, that's a good idea. Thanks for the clue. Alright friends, here are the ingredients and tools. Ice glass, tea, sugar, hot water, unwind, a spoon, and Roma biscuit. Now, for the making process. First, prepare the glass and add sugar as needed.
Then pour in the hot water and heat the bag.
Next, heat until the sugar dissolves and the color turns thinly. Rosy. Then take Roma biscuit, open and then packing. Add the then on a tray. Now, the warm tea and Roma biscuit are ready to eat.
Wow, this is very delicious and filling.
Fun and very easy to make. That is all for process of the making by tea accompany and Roma biscuit snack.
We hope the is as full for all of you.
And don't forget to like, comment,
So,
share. Let's go to
then
like, comment, and don't forget